A single yellowjacket ruined my entire barbecue last August, not by stinging anyone, but by showing up first. Then another came, then 5 more. Within 20 minutes, my patio table was a no-fly zone, and my guests had retreated indoors. I stood there staring at the empty chairs, furious at a creature smaller than my thumbnail. If you have ever abandoned your own backyard to a swarm of striped invaders, you know exactly how helpless that feels. But here is what I learned in the days that followed. You do not need an expensive exterminator or a can of chemicals to take back your space. A simple homemade yellowjacket trap built from things already in your kitchen can wipe out an entire colony without putting beneficial honeybees at risk. Today, I am going to show you exactly how to build it, why it works, and where to place it for maximum impact. If you are new here, welcome to Thoughtful Explains. This is where we dig into the quiet knowledge that makes life work a little better. Hit subscribe if that sounds like something worth keeping. Let us build the trap. The problem with most store-bought solutions is that they are either too weak to make a difference or too toxic to use around your family. Wasp sprays kill on contact, but they do nothing about the nest. They also release a cloud of chemicals into the air where your children and pets breathe. Calling a professional for wasp nest removal can cost anywhere from $100 to $500 depending on the location and the size of the colony. That wasp nest removal cost is a steep price for a problem that has a simpler answer. What you need is something that attracts yellowjackets and wasps away from your living space, traps them before they can return to the nest, and does all of this without poisoning your yard. The solution is a baited trap that exploits their own biology against them. This is DIY pest control at its most effective, and it costs almost nothing. The same principles that make this trap work have been used by orchard keepers and vineyard owners for generations, long before chemical sprays ever existed. Here is the science behind it. Yellowjackets and paper wasps are protein hunters in the spring and early summer, but by late summer and fall, they switch to craving sugar. That is when they become aggressive at picnics and patio dinners. They are not just being annoying. They are in a desperate search for energy as their natural food sources run low. A bait that combines protein and sugar in a confined space triggers their feeding instincts so powerfully that they will ignore your burger and fly straight into the trap. The design is simple. You need a 2-liter plastic bottle, a knife or scissors, a piece of string, and bait. Cut the top third of the bottle off just below where the neck begins to widen. Flip that top section upside down and place it back into the bottom section so it forms a funnel pointing downward. The opening should sit an inch or two above the bottom of the bottle. Secure the 2 pieces with tape or a stapler. Punch 2 holes on opposite sides near the top edge and thread your string through to hang it. The bait goes inside the bottom of the bottle. A mixture of raw meat, a splash of fruit juice, and a drop of dish soap works best. The meat provides the protein, the juice provides the sugar, and the soap breaks the surface tension of any liquid so the insects sink and drown. This is one of the most reliable wasp traps homemade that actually works, and it has been used by gardeners and homesteaders for decades. Once they enter the funnel, their instinct is to fly upward toward the light, but the narrow opening traps them inside until they exhaust themselves and fall into the liquid below. Placement is everything. Hang the trap at least 20 feet away from where you eat or gather. If you place it too close, you will actually attract yellowjackets and wasps toward your patio instead of pulling them away. A tree branch at the edge of your property, a fence post on the far side of the yard, or a shepherd's hook near the garden are all ideal locations. The trap should be at eye level or slightly higher, where the insects naturally fly. Check it every 2 to 3 days and refresh the bait when it dries out or when the trap is full. You will be stunned by how quickly it fills during peak season. This is natural pest control that works with the instincts of the insect instead of trying to overpower them with chemicals. If you are wondering how to get rid of yellowjackets without calling an exterminator, this single trap will do more than any can of spray ever could. It is wasp control and hornet control in one simple setup. I once hung a trap near a ground nest I did not even know existed, and within 4 days the activity around that area had dropped to almost nothing. One note worth knowing before you set this up: honeybees are not attracted to raw meat, so this trap is honeybee safe. That matters because bee populations are already under enough stress. The last thing any gardener wants is to inadvertently harm the pollinators that keep their flowers and vegetables thriving. Mud daubers and hornets, on the other hand, will occasionally investigate the trap, especially if there is a nearby wasp nest. If you know you have a ground nest of yellowjackets in your yard, placing the trap near that area will intercept workers as they leave and return, slowly collapsing the colony without ever having to dig it up or douse it with gasoline. This is how to kill yellowjackets in ground nests without risking a swarm of angry insects defending their home. It is a slow but certain method, and it keeps you safely out of harm's way. A single hornet scout can bring an entire swarm if you disturb the nest, so letting the trap do the work over time is far safer than trying to remove the nest yourself. For anyone dealing with an aggressive colony near a doorway or a children's play area, this approach is a genuine game changer. The trap does the work while you stay safely on the other side of the yard, and that peace of mind is worth more than any exterminator's guarantee. There you have it, a trap that costs almost nothing, spares the bees, and takes back your backyard from the insects that have been terrorizing your summers. There is something deeply empowering about solving a problem with knowledge instead of chemicals. The wasps are not going anywhere, but neither are you, and now you have the upper hand. If you try this trap, tell me how it worked in the comments. I read every single one, and if you want more real solutions that actually hold up under real life, subscribe to Thoughtful Explains. New videos drop every week to help you understand the world a little better, one quiet truth at a time.